had it with a stick.
Is it all body or fucking lot of legs or whatever?
It's more legs than body.
How thick are the legs?
Pretty thick.
I run off and I see it.
Have a look.
The club moving.
There's a £10 note there. Have a look at it.
Yeah, but they're just gonna fucking bite, isn't it?
Yeah, can I see it?
I'll have to turn it back.
He's gonna do it.
Wait, can I see it first?
Well,
Let's have a look at it. Let's have a look at it. Oh yeah, it's mean. Oh.
Fucking hell, mate.
God dang, look at that.
Whoa! Whoa!
Give me that back.
Look at that cunt!
Wait a second.
No, you better pull that. No, you better pull them things off. No, you better pull the fucking steppers off. It's gonna fucking bite you.
It's fucking big, isn't it? Have you seen the size of it?
Can I kill it first?
I'm going to go hospital once.
Can I kill it first?
You can do what you like to it. You got to wait for the video. Wait for that. Relax. You got an hour till tea time.
That's a fucking big spider, isn't it?
I won't.
Small man.
Tell you what to do. Stun it.
That's it. Mine up a little bit.
Now let's all.
Let's have a look at it. Oh my fucking god.
Look at that. God dang.
Whoa! Oh! 10 quid.
Where did you find that?
He found it in 10 minutes.
Where did you find that?
He found it in 10 minutes.
Oh, for the love of God.